Hi, in this video, I'll tell you more about how to get the best results when setting your music preferences. My in-store radio has been created by experienced radio professionals who have more than 20 years of experience working with commercial music programming. Now you can benefit from this experience. The presets, which are already defined in advance, are the product of a thorough, methodical effort. These presets give you a solid base that you can use to build the perfect solution for your store. Think about how often you want a jingle to play and how often you want ads. The structure has to be suited to the way customers move, browse, and shop in your store. One piece of good advice is to always base your decisions on your customer target group instead of thinking about your own personal taste in music. And remember, anytime you want to, you can adjust and adapt the music you play on My In-Store Radio.